Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to download and play Fortnite without using the Epic Games Launcher. Let's get started. First, open your internet browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type Fortnite, then press enter. From the search results, look for the official Fortnite website. That's Fortnite.com. Make sure it's the real site and then click the link to open it. Once the Fortnite website loads, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a download button. Click on that to continue. On the download page, you'll notice different ways to play Fortnite. The first option is through the Epic Games Launcher, but since we don't want to use that, scroll down the page. You'll find other ways to play Fortnite using cloud streaming services like Amazon Luna, GeForce Now, and Xbox Cloud Gaming. These platforms let you play Fortnite without installing the Epic Games Launcher on your PC. Now, choose the option that works best for you. If you select GeForce Now, click that option. You'll be redirected to the GeForce Now website. Click Play Now and log in with your NVIDIA account. If you don't have one, create an account and follow the setup instructions to start playing Fortnite in the cloud. If you prefer Xbox Cloud Gaming, click on that option instead. You'll be taken to the Xbox Cloud Gaming page, sign in with your Microsoft account and follow the steps provided to begin playing. Or, if you want to use Amazon Luna, click the Luna option. It'll take you to the Amazon Luna website. Click Play with Luna, then follow the setup steps to start playing Fortnite there. Each of these cloud platforms allows you to play Fortnite legally without downloading or installing the Epic Games Launcher. Keep in mind, you'll need to sign up for the service you choose, and some may require a subscription. And that's it.